Make a great choice today with
The 2016 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, luggage rack, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.